If you are new to our channel, subscribe to our channel by pressing the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that you never miss our latest videos. Hot air balloon takeoff. Hot air balloon is an aircraft. You heard it right. It is an aircraft, but it is a lighter than air aircraft. Want to go for a hot air balloon ride? For that, we need a hot air balloon. So, how to make hot air balloon? Although in its simple form, a hot air balloon consists of an envelope, a basket and a burner. But I really doubt the hot air balloon made by us will be able to give us the hot air balloon ride, rather a hot air balloon crash. Keeping jokes aside and non-positivity aside, let us try to understand hot air balloon takeoff. A hot air balloon is lighter than air aircraft, so it rather floats in air like a boat floats in water. So, how does hot air balloon becomes lighter than air? We know that hot air is lighter than normal air. When hot air from the burner fills the envelope, the hot air balloon becomes lighter than the surrounding air, and thus the hot air balloon takes off or floats in the air. If you want to know more about hot air balloon, then a beautiful article is written on hot air balloon in our website. Link given in description. Thank you.